So right now everyone is obsessed with interviews and job offers, but no one is building for what happens after rejection. There's an entire side of system that's being broken and getting ignored. I know this because I've been there and I'm facing multiple rejections, and most of them are with zero feedback or just sending generic templates. And that's when I realized the problem isn't the rejection, it's the lack of meaningful closure. But hey, I'm Prithvi, a product builder focused on solving real world problems. And instead of just applying for jobs, I started looking at broken systems around me and trying to solve them in my way. What makes me different is I don't just learn product thinking, but I'm just practicing it in my daily life. I take real world problems, break them down, and build simple and usable solutions around them. So I've built RiseJect, a tool that turns rejections into structured feedback and continuous improvement. And today candidates either get ghosted or receive vague rejection mails after applying for a job. And in this case, RiseCheck helps companies to send clear and meaningful feedback within one click. That includes a reason for rejection, actionable improvement tips, and a much better candidate experience. So let's dive into the demo. So this is the project that I've been talking about, and this is the main problem of black hole of job applications. No matter how many number of jobs that you've applied, you will just receive this simple mail saying that unfortunately we have decided to move forward with another candidate this time. And after applying to any number of jobs, we just receive this thing. I mean, what's the use of sending these type of mails? And in my point of view, people should learn from their mistakes. And to make that happen, people should know what mistakes they have done during interview, right? And this is how RiseTech works. Company sets up library and they mention reasons and they send the email. So this is the preview that you can see. And this single line can change the entire life of a candidate after getting the job, right? So if a candidate lacks in communication, we can simply add this reason. And if a candidate lacks in system design skills, you can simply add this reason. So this is the difference between the generic template and the template that we can send using RiseJect. People can easily identify what mistakes they have done and they can get confidence. So they might be thinking like, so yeah, I'm lacking the skills, so if I learn the skills in the next interview I can give my 100%. So it's a win-win situation for both the candidates and as well as companies. So if money wasn't a constraint, I would evolve this RiseTech into a full candidate growth platform where every rejection becomes a feedback loop and a candidate gets rejected, but instead of being let confused, they're guided into a personalized learning journey. Think Duolingo for communication and lead code for technical skills all in a single platform. While everyone is building to help people get jobs, I'm building for the moment they don't. Because the real problem isn't the rejection, but it's a lack of direction after it. RiseTech started from rejection, but it's really about making systems more human. And I'm just getting started. Thank you all.